and Lois Carrier, fee-only certified financial planner with Worthwhile Wealth Counsel. And Happy New Year. The big I word, inflation, is a scary word. So let me share a few thoughts by Wharton School of Finance Dr. Jeremy Siegel. Love this man. He says that the only way to contain inflation is to slow down the money supply growth. Now, the Fed can do that by raising rates and loan costs. So we have been increasing the money supply at a 16.5% annualized rate, 3 times the rate of the last 30 years. Whoa, no wonder we have inflation. The Fed has now predicted that it will raise rates 3 times in 2022. Dr. Siegel says it's the fastest pivot he ever remembers in history, and I'm thinking, they may be serious. So decreasing the money supply is the best way to curb inflation. However, during the 2008 crisis, the money supply was increased and did not raise inflation. So what was the difference? Well, the difference was that during the 2008 crisis, the money supply sat in excess reserves on bank balance sheets. The current fiscal spending and transfer has put cash where? In our pockets, which is being spent as our economy reopens. So remember the basic definition of inflation? Too many dollars chasing too many goods. Sound familiar? So what does it mean to the market? Well, as the Fed starts putting on the brakes, Dr. Siegel says we can expect more market volatility. But he also thinks that stocks will be supported. So put your seatbelts on and your trade tables in an upright position. We may experience some turbulence. But remember, market volatility goes both ways, just like the turbulence on an airplane. Last year, the market was mostly up, with just a few pauses for catching its breath, which is what some of you did when it took its bouncing. But our crystal ball this year is telling us that we too can expect another good year, even though a bumpy one. So during the bumps, just try to remember that's frequently the cost for bringing inflation under control. We have to take our medicine. So just like when breaking a wild horse, that critter is going to buck. So Happy New Year, and let's ride 'em, cowboys. Thanks for tuning in.